Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you are new here, welcome. So today's video will be a continuation of part 1 that I posted a few days ago. The wig that we will be working with today was sent to me from Yiroo. This is a straight 150% density 13x4 lace front wig in 20 inches. I'll have all of Yiroo's information down below in the description box. Don't forget to check down below for more information. If you have not seen part 1, which is basically me getting the frontal and the wig ready for styling, make sure you guys check out that video. I'll have the link down below or somewhere on the screen. Okay, so let's jump right into styling this wig. Because I want the ponytail of this wig to be the exact length as the bottom half of this wig. There are 2 different ways that I can do that. I can add hair around the base of the ponytail, or I can do what I'm about to do now and basically just cut it even after the hair has been placed in a ponytail at the top. So I got 20 inches because it's the perfect length for the hair to reach my shoulders while it's in a ponytail. So obviously the bottom half of the wig is going to be much shorter than the top. So when I take it out of the ponytail after this video, I'm going to have to cut it evenly eventually, and then it's going to be a cute little bob. But for this video, I do want to show you guys how to get that look that Kim K has been wearing, Kylie Jenner has been wearing, and a whole bunch of mainstream celebrities without having to put that extra hair on the base of your ponytail. The reason why I chose not to do that part is because it does make the ponytail itself thicker, and then the base of the ponytail will be really thick as well. I don't really want that look for this hairstyle. So I'm going to start off by sectioning off the hair and determining where I want that ponytail to be. Like, do I want it to be up here, in the middle, back here? And then based on the positioning of that ponytail, I am going to cut the bottom half of the hair a little bit shorter than that ponytail. And the reason why I'm going to do it a little bit shorter than the ponytail is because the ponytail is going to be flipped and I want it to be an even length all around. And even if the ponytail is a little bit longer, I can always go in and cut it. I do want to show you the parting space before I get started, just so you can see all of the hard work that we did in the first video. I'm going to make sure that the perimeter of it is as smooth as possible because that is the part that will be slicked back into a ponytail. So I'm going to start where my ear is and basically just part it upwards. So I am making that part right in front of where the tracks are so that I can have a little bit of hair to cover the tracks. Okay, so now that we have an outline of our part, I'm just going to go ahead and flat iron this piece here just to make sure that it is sleek and smooth and it's fully covering the tracks in the back. Okay, so now I'm just going to keep this bottom half in a clip, and I am going to put the top half in a loose ponytail. I'm just going to do an even blunt cut all around. Okay, so now that I cut that extra length off, I'm gonna make sure that the hair is even, and then I'm gonna grab my curling iron as well as some spritz, because you wanna make sure that the flips do stay. And I'm going to flip the bottom half of the wig. I'm going to put the actual wig on, and then I am going to flip this part last after I get a sense of where the ponytail is. I'm also going to wrap a piece of hair around the base of the ponytail, and I'm going to add baby hairs more than likely. But I will be using this product by ORS. This is their grip gel, Fix It Grip Gel. I like this because it has castor oil. This is my very first time ever trying this to put on any type of wig. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. So I am gonna use this instead of glue. I hope it does grip like it claims to do. Because it's a ponytail, I need this wig to stay down. So yes, we're gonna experiment with this today. I'm gonna continue styling this wig, and I'll come back and show you guys how everything turns out. Make sure these curls are staying for the whole day. So I'm gonna make them tight. Okay, so now that I am all finished with the curls in the back, I'm going to allow them to set. I'm going to put this wig on, style the ponytail piece, flip the ponytail piece, and then I am going to comb through or brush through these curls just to make sure that they're one uniformed roll at the bottom or flip at the bottom. And I will come back and show you guys how I do that. All right, now I'm just taking a small section from the ponytail and I'm gonna spray it with Got2b, just so that it can be sticky. And then I am going to wrap it around the base of the ponytail and secure it with a bobby pin. Here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I'll have all of the information in the description box, so check there before you leave. And I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe down below if you have not already. Bye guys.
It's Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai.